Mami, alam mo ba yung 3-3-3 rule sa breastfeeding? Okay, so here's the simple breakdown para mas madali nating ma-remember. Number 1, every 3 hours. Feed baby at least every 3 hours, lalo na sa first weeks. Helps establish good milk supply. Number 2, 3 wet diapers per day. By around day 3, baby should have at least 3 wet diapers. This is a simple way to see kung nakakakuha siya ng enough milk. Number 3, 3 ounces per feeding. By week 3, baby usually takes around 3 ounces per feeding kung gumagamit ng pump or milk formula. It's just a rough guide para siguradong tama ang intake niya. And as a dad, gusto ko rin i-share ang tip na super lifesaver para sa mga busy moms. Silicone breast pump. Gentle siya sa pag-express ng milk anytime. Kahit nasa office ka or on the go ka, perfect para ma-save yung extra milk at less stress si mami. Kaya mga mommies, tandaan ang 3-3-3 rule. At kung gusto niyo rin ng hassle-free milk expressing, check out a silicone breast pump. Super useful talaga lalo na sa mga first weeks.